Let's take a closer look at big silk scrunchies. Some bulkier scrunchies on the market, the most common type, initially look fuller. But after use, they flatten, twist, or lose shape permanently. No matter how you stretch them, they won't bounce back. Let me show you how they end up visibly crumpled. Ugly, right? Now, look at this scrunchie demonstrates resilience. No matter how you squish it, it stays plump. The secret? A wrinkle-resistant organza layer inside, cutting it open to reveal 2 layers, outer silk plus inner organza. The organza acts as a permanent scaffold, keeping the shape intact. Result? Even after hundreds of uses, it stays flawless. That's the advantage. In contrast, cheaper scrunchies shows flatten 1D form over time, even fresh out of packaging. Same silk, but craftsmanship makes the difference.